This is a 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, heated seats, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and this vehicle has less than 61,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.